Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can access ChatGPT's API. So for that you need to open up your browser and then search for ChatGPT API key, and then just open up the very first link that you will see in the search results, which is OpenAI API. Just open it up and this is where it will lead you to. Then you just simply have to log into your account or sign up for your account. After signing up, you will be able to see that you can use API codes for building these kind of applications. And to access the API, just click on personal on the top right corner and then click on view API keys and just create a new secret key for yourself. And this way you will be able to use this particular key into your Microsoft Office or your WhatsApp, and then you will be able to use ChatGPT there. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.